Well, I think it's a great thing, and I think your leading this is good because you bring in the right profile of people, you bring in relevant topics, and I think you'll tap into everybody in the room. So I think a lot of thought goes into who's attending. It's a good mix of people. The topics chosen are very good, in a very relaxed forum, and I think companies are coming forward to sponsor it, which is a good thing. It makes it easier for it to happen. So I think it's a good thing that's happening.
I think this is a great platform because you are trying to get a lot of leaders, the industry leaders, whether they are CEOs or they are HR leaders. You are trying to get them together, and you created a forum which is, I would say, an information and knowledge exchange forum, which is more intensive as compared to any kind of a seminar and a conference. I think some of these forums that Workplace 2020 is trying to drive, from that perspective, creating that network, creating that dialogue, which is more intense, getting people together to come and exchange ideas, exchange what is happening at their workplace, and then plan for Workplace 2020. That's a differentiator. So Workplace 2020 is doing a great job.
I think it's a very good initiative because we are moving from, in terms of, we used to make it for Y2K year 2000. Then it was for 2010, now it is 2020 is the next big milestone that we're looking forward to. So a lot of other organizations are also looking in a strategic way in terms of what is that we want to achieve. So definitely it's going to help in a big way. I think it's definitely a great start, and kudos to the team which is working behind it.
Oh, it's an excellent initiative. I just love coming here and being part of these roundtable sessions. I think the way we interact, it's such an informal yet a structured kind of discussion that's happening. There are no inhibitions, there are no hierarchies. Everybody is coming into this forum with an open mind of learning. Very strategically or very nicely the topics are chosen, and the kind of people who are coming and talking about those topics they've all had experiences on those topics.
So it's a very good forum. I think the good thing is it helps you to think. It also helps to network because you get to learn in terms of what the other people's thoughts are, and it helps you to basically exchange and share information, share views. So it just widens your horizon, I feel. At the end of the day, we are here to do good work. I think we are here to evolve every day. And that's where I feel that, Workplace 2020 plays a very significant role because it prompts you to think in a particular direction. And then it helps you to share, information and views.